Hey guys, Nick here from health5.com and just wanted to quickly create this video to show you how to get your coupon codes for both Spooky2 and the Spooky2 Scalar products. Super basic, but I just thought I'd put this video here just in case anyone struggles. So what you need to do is get the email address that I've put above or below this video. For some reason I can't paste. There we go. So that's the email address. So you might have to change the brackets to an @ symbol just to prevent me getting spam. So you're just going to send an email to that address. You can put whatever you want. It really doesn't matter. It's just going to be a auto reply. So I can even just put blah and just send. And now I'm going to go to my inbox. And this is good. If it doesn't work straight away, let me check my spam, because this may happen. You might have to check your spam filter. Okay. And it just took a few seconds there. I just paused the video. So here's the email. So I'm going to open up that email. So yeah, basically it just says, here's the coupon codes. So all you need to do is copy the coupon code that you want. And if you get, for example, you want something from Spooky2 Mall, just a normal Spooky2 product, you would copy that coupon code and then click on that link. And that will take you to where you can add the product you want to get, Spooky2, say it's Essentials, the Essentials Kit, whatever, and then just enter that coupon code into the shopping cart when you see the field to do that. And it's exact same process with the Spooky2 Scalar. You just get the different coupon and click on the link, and it's as simple as that, entering it into the shopping cart, and you'll get a discount. So I hope that helps, guys. Take it easy. Cheers.